Big up Crosses TV.
Big up Crosses TV to the blood clot world. Crosses TV, I forget this, yeah.
That idea, my daughter put up. I'm see you like the post too. Come here. I watch a lot of one, you know. Just like I watch them, you know. Them put up me, I'm gonna put up my pitney, and you did under this to anybody. So I never said nothing to you, because you know what I said? Instagram is trick, but one thing, money, but yeah, what? This is what me not do. One thing me not do, me not smile up in a none of the girl face and try shade on them. Me not do that. Me not do the little shade thing, money, body. I don't. Me I tell you now. Me I tell you now. So maybe you have that little shady spirit there, but me not really too deal with them type of spirit there. You understand? Because I've been here for a long time. I never said nothing to you. You know when I unfollow you, I just unfollow you the other day when none of chat and you over there Causin. Because I didn't feel the same way Diary feel. It's weird. You could have come up any other time. Nobody can tell you when to come up enough. And a girl can't tell me when to come up enough. But if me know I fuck with you, I'm going to fuck with one, and the two are going to cuss each other, either I'm going to shut the fuck up, and they're going to try to kill out the war and say, oh, stop. That's for me, blood clot, though. Me not do the weird back and forth thing, money, buddy. It's weird. And then after that, you call Diary, and Diary, and you want to say, Diary, what happened? What do you mean, what happened? You see what going on? That shit is weird. The same thing Diary said, yo, you're there for alive, a Causin, a girl will cost me and my friend them. That's what you were doing. We were listening. That shit is weird. Me can't tell him, me not give a fuck about none on the internet. I can't pay my bills them. But when me I say is, but when I don't have to act like when the blood clot like me, because you don't know me. But me not gonna sit down and act like everything blood clot good.
Oh, that everybody blood clot editor and everybody fucking look how much time people put me up and I want the blood clot.
Yeah, and I would never press like, motherfucker. And I would never press like. If someone fuck that, when anybody I put up nothing with this, anybody me deal with me now press like. Oh no, weird. Oh no, weird, no blood clot on the internet. So like I said, so don't mix me with everybody. I'm telling you how I deal with you. As far as how me deal with your money, buddy, when up there on the live today, say up and turn on and blood clot hospital. Momo, I know your life, I did only live. I'm still try to kill out the argument. Me not see when me know say me I hang out with the two set of people them where I argue. That shit is fucking weird. Oh no, weird. That's it. Man, I gotta sit down and act like say me and you. That shit is weird. And then after that, you call Diary now. We hear that too. But what I did? What the fuck you don't understand what you did? You know what it is? I not even say nothing to you about my daughter picture. Here where y'all go ball out now. Okay, when mama. People putting up, we press like me. But yeah, y'all niggas is weird, bitch. The only thing me just don't act like you not see me, because me not know you in a real life. But me not like to give people respect and them feel like that them depend some other type of timing. Me not depend that.
Yeah, what should I say? Like she never knew about.
Why you wanna say you don't know when Nana and everybody been rubbing for how long? Nana was rubbing the whole fucking day, Mello. How the fuck you don't know?
Oh, I know. I didn't know. But I'm saying she said she never know because she come up.
No, the first fucking shit is different because I don't give a fuck because these bitches can't sit down. These bitches can't sit down and say nothing to me about my daughter.
Mello, what are you catching up? Me I catch up your Momo. Come off from my life. Black. Pussy, go suck your mother. Me and Momo are two different people. When me I catch up,
now look back. You don't know what is going on. 3 days, you say rubbing agua. The girl all call me name to pussy clot. Nana all call me name. Call me name. And she did about yeah, of course I. The fuck. Then wait, and then you hear the agenda now. When them put you up, uno press like. No, me not go see nobody blood clot try. Don't play, my friend. And me go press like on the post. That shit is weird. Yeah, me not go sit down with people for life I can't
What if I?
see.
She said, so what if I lie,
What?
bitch?
What you
Lie to
say?
you fucking self,
I
Momo. Oh.
cannot see what she write. I don't see nothing
Nothing.
that.
Me just read what she write. Come, me just try. It says, so what if
Yo,
I
money
lie,
body, you look
bitch,
dead.
like
You look dead
you
out. Go have a seat.
fucking
And
self,
the day me
Momo.
ramp it. The day me did I play with you, I ramp with your money body. Me not argue with no girl what up run down
Whatever one is
$25 for. So you can type away. Me not argue with no girl what up off a run down $25 for. Money body, if I go into the cash app
Whatever
alone,
one is
me
come
and you are
anybody
not
and
the
put
same.
it.
Leave me alone, please.
Oh?
Leave me alone, please.
Hey,
But
teach me.
I can't see your
I just
comments,
teach
them.
this so
God
I
is
know if
good.
you
So you could have
reply.
typed the fuck away.
Let's go and
You could
hide.
have typed the fuck away. Me not argue with no girl. Me not argue no girl. I said what the fuck I said and you could be in your bag, bitch, because I never did it to you, but you did. It was funny.
Bring down my
So
house
now
for
when
that,
me I
please.
tell it funny, man, I argue with no girl money body
To
where
plug it out
home
there.
argue with $25 over. I am sorry. From she put
What
that
color
up,
you put it in?
summer owner,
You
that
should have
it's
put the
funny
bread in
when you
there
listen people, them
to
eyes
make it,
got
you know,
owner life sad.
design
Me
everything.
can't relate to that. If I the cash up, me going alone. Me I don't can't have no conversation. Cash up alone, money body, me can't have no conversation with you. So me cash up alone. Cash up alone. We cannot have conversation. Yeah. In the cash shop alone, we can't talk. You can't talk to me. Not even in the cash shop. You're crazy. You're crazy. You think me argue nobody like on half gala style up for $25? You see when
Yo,
I can't say
Momo.
but laugh, me
Momo.
never say you can't laugh. But when you did cock up, cause you didn't know your feelings. Your blood clot, but uno all do this and uno all do that. Me not see nobody blood clot style you impress like, and you itch up under me. That's why Diary rings out your blood clot today and I co-signed Diary because she was right. Cause when my name call, you did cock up over there and it did funny, go suck yourself. Money body make you can't argue with me. For some reason, I can't see what you type. You cannot argue with me, money, blood clot, bad day. Someone need to take money. Remember, I said my real name in a real life, my nickname is Money. And I don't use that shit on the internet. No fun I have name where you need to take off of that blood clot. And that me I tell you no. You have body and don't have house. Me cannot have conversation with owners. Okay?
Okay.
Blood clot owner.
Momo.
Yes.
Hi, darling. Momo.
Yeah, me start eat
Yeah.
food now.
Momo, you hear me?
Yes, Tamara.
You listening?
Yes.
Me gonna slap you back with the same thing you slap me back every day. Behave yourself. Stop giving people energy. Don't make me come take your phone. You
No, me
hear?
just want them know so when them see me, them not for cam up wherever me there
Auntie,
again.
Auntie
You
Royal,
understand?
bless up. Me love you, Auntie Royal.
Cause
Yeah, me
I thought she
understand.
got the message from Diary Live the other night because I was up
Okay,
there and I
okay.
said my part.
Stop justifying. Me say,
Same
stop
page.
give away.
Tamara, I
Stop
don't
give
do
away.
Tamara, I don't do two-faced shit.
I
Me, these
know
niggas,
that.
cause they on the internet, they feel like I still got more. You understand
Yo,
what I'm saying?
mama, stop giving away your bomber clock energy, Mr. Me go come for you and take your phone, you know. The same way you come and talk to me and come to
Yeah,
me.
after me
Me and
energy
you,
now give way.
you
Cause
know,
them bitch that unhappy in a real life and
that
me happy in a
energy,
blood
that
clot.
energy, that energy you give away, it's free. It's not free, you
Tamara,
know.
the only
It's
way my
not
energy
free.
gonna get really upset is if my money. These bitches can't talk to me. You understand what I'm
You
saying?
know I love you. You know how me and you move in mellow ways. So don't do that. Me not like it. The same
I
way
just
you.
need niggas to know where they stand so when they see
All
me in the
right.
future, they don't
Okay.
cam up. They don't
Okay.
cam up. You see,
You
I made
put
sure
them
I
in.
gave the introduction before she came up. And
Yeah.
she still
You
turned
put them.
around and exposed herself and talk about, oh, all of y'all do it. No, bitch, it look like niggas draw you down to the ground, so you used to everybody doing that. I'm not that type of bitch. I
Okay.
don't do sideways
You
shit.
you
I don't
put
do it.
them
Either
in.
I fuck with you or I don't. That is
Okay.
just me.
So we have accomplished that you don't
You
fuck
know,
with us.
like me pity them picture them. Vex your fuck. I shall tell me fuck you, Momo. You can't stop it.
Mama, make a come for you. You see you. We can put you over my knee and give you an old school whipping with the belt.
Oh, no, no. Bro, you not give a fuck, cause you honor this and that. I don't honor nothing, nigga. Fuck you. I need to take the money off of your name, but cause money body sound fucking crazy right now. Take off the money and hold the body, bitch. You see how mad you
I
just
love
got? I
you,
just told you how I
Momo.
felt. I told you the truth, nigga.
Let's
None of
talk
y'all
about
long time big
something
woman can
positive.
talk to me. Cause I live in New York for years and I'm supposed to have house. My born in a house. I want to know. My granny come from Jamaica and wipe ass, do CNA and clean people house and get blood clot house. Man, I talk to
Auntie
one with
Roya, you see her
careless,
talk.
long time big blood clot woman them. Me not reach 40 yet. Allow me make me and my pitney them strive. Me see you like the picture of my pitney and me never said nothing about it. All when me see your name, me say maybe the lady press mistake. And you hear what you said to me?
You can't see her, you can't see what she put. You can't see what she put. She say,
No, don't
nobody
repeat
can
it.
drag
Don't
me,
repeat it,
bitch.
my
Go
love.
suck your, oh
Money
God.
body, are
Again,
you
Momo,
forgot
again.
suck your mama? Cause you look like you're dead already. Would I tell you
Mellow,
for
I'm
dead,
a
but you
come
forgot
back.
suck your mama money body. You can't worry with me, money body. Me not argue with no blood clot, big woman. What? What?
Oh God. You could have tell me something on my nose. You know, one class me and take picture across the TV up here. But
Man,
I'm about to
I
get the
argue
block.
with no big pussy girl when me say, girl, if you call it for 25
Come
blood
on,
clot
girl.
dollar.
Smell
Money body send your
up.
cash up, let me send you 25 blood clot dollar. But glad you say what you say. You see that same blood clots, little spirit that already that talk about. You just prove it when you say, so what if I did that? Because when Uno do it to me, when people put me and Uno is not blood clot Uno. Don't come put me in the same thing. Me tell you, say no fuck out careless big old man. Got stuck your mother money body. Mine dead. So it not gonna hurt me. And you look blood clot dead. You just say for bleach out your skin for look get confidence. Money body that day me see you stand up, you look hungry as fuck. You look like if I'm hard breeze blow your breeze past you right now, you drop a blood clot down. You know, sister, you look crony. You can't talk to me. Money body my healthy. And when me have cancer, my fat and blood clot healthy. See auntie hope you come like you want me cash up to
Well, go on,
$25. You did cash up or 50
oh,
for you.
me I do ponytail like my woman. Well, I know.
Oh,
Through my woman,
father.
well, I know through my woman up having ponytail like that, me I do.
What go on?
That me
What go
say.
on out there?
You see
Yeah,
that?
my husband
You
right
see
now.
me? That's why you see? I should have make you rub out all nasty this tonight. You see that?
Me what?
I should have make you rub her out of my fucking business. Cause this little skeleton bleach out cranny fucking lady. What come show her blood clot breast and me I run with the blood clot drop. Anybody would have never fuck before. Hey, before me go there with you, me go there with bumbo clot hope. I tell you that here. I would have tell you blood clot that you look cranny in a blood
Momo.
clot here.
Momo. Momo.
I was up here and she was coming up here, Hope. So I said to her, I said, money body, it don't even make sense to come up here. I feel the same way how Dari feel the other day. I was on that live. I was co-signing that live.
Mm-hmm.
She come up now and she talk about what I'm talking about. You don't know what the fuck me I talk about. Oh, when I went on not alive, I just came from the air, just I didn't know what's going on. Don't when my name call, she sit down and I laugh on a co-sign. You see me up, me either did I go shut the fuck up, me see you do it too. Either me did I go shut the fuck up, if I two people me know, but instead of me up there and I say, yeah, and I laugh. So you're co-signing what the person's saying. Worse them go call my blood clot name. So just a while ago when you come up, you know where you want me talk to you friendly? Cause you come in and say hello, Mellow and Momo. Don't waste your hello, Momo and bumbo clot me. Cause me not do the two-sided and the shady and the shaky thing. That is just me. If me
Yeah.
like you, me like you. If I don't, I don't.
But let me address something to you. You see what you just said a while ago? Say you da prefer fuck up. Don't put me with no drunk or don't me. Hey, Momo. Don't put me with no drunk or
Yeah, but with that lady, every day that lady I walk us me.
no, you. Me say you come talk about say, you da prefer me. Don't put me with a girl there. Put me with Nikki Blood Clot Minaj. Give me one, you.
You there?
Don't put me with them blood clot.
The way Instagram knows I'm not even supposed to talk to her. Me can't see nothing with that little germs that type, you know. Me can't see nothing, but me say she tell me for suck my mother. And you should have suck your mother so you look healthy now, cause me did suck my blood clot, mama. Hey, I breastfeed for about 7 months till me I'll walk early. Got sucked back your mama. And I hope when your mother dead, you make me know so I can send your reef big pussy blood clot, girl. Me not argue with no long time big woman who I borrow 25 blood clot dollar. If me call the body right now, me I beg 100 blood clot dollar. Me not look for you. Damn, he's calling me. What happened? I see.
All I know. I want to know. But you don't listen to me.
But me, hear me now. Me just say, because when you come up now, you gotta act like everything good. But she not even know, so when they put up my daughter picture, she like the picture in her hope. I never say nothing about it, you know. But so when the girl cost me, I say she should Causin, I just put the icing for the cake, you know. Because I don't really waste my time with waste matters. You see, when people not have nothing good for say about nobody, I don't really waste my time on them, you know. You get the benefit of my doubt because nobody can program me. When they put up my daughter, she like it. So when I just say to the old looking dead fuck out lady now, then hear what the lady just said. So what when people put me up on a press like go suck your mama? Not even a 16-year-old picture with them put up, you can't stand upside her. You idiot money body. Take the money off of your blood clot name, yeah.
Me tell you already, say she's not no money, no stop call her blood clot money body. I don't know, listen to me.
Whatever
that girl
she name Alena need to know her blood clot self, cause me and you know in the same class. No girl, me I wait for the girl come for internet and have the money argument with me. Just wait on it. I've been here since 2019. On a careless no blood clot. You think nobody can stand about 20? Send your cash up, Alena. That's you for blood clot. Don't make me send your bills the other day because you look blood clot hungry. Because I can't stand behind that. I want to know.
You see the something what she do with the next retarded one over there this morning? So nobody can program her and she got anywhere
to work. She run off her mouth. So when the fuck you come over here after you run off your mouth? Because you indirectly talking about diary too. Yeah. But suck yourself because me stand with bomber clock there in front and behind her bomber clock back. Because Dari was upset because you know the germs did rub you out. Here, she didn't know what was going on. So when my name call and you did I laugh and and of course and you still never know what going on a different Momo. Hey, I want to that blood clot, girl. You see you look like Duppy. You see you look like Duppy and you say you're hungry.
Why Barry come over here, so?
Why? I'm an ex-husband. You know, I can't say who I come in or come out. I can't say nothing in the comments.
Mr. Barry just... Mr. Him just passed. Barry just passed. You have to go now.
Hold on there. Yeah. I seem to.
So you up there, you Mellow, where you go?
No,
the girl said the girl talk about when Una put me up on a press like. So you press my daughter picture on purpose, big pussy girl, and my daughter look better than you. That's what I'm telling you. Una always going to show on the real self, but I don't give a fuck, nigga. Y'all can't. Hey, money body, me tell you, this is the only thing me show. Me stop run up and down in the house and show now. This is the only thing we can show you. I can give you a little spot over there in the backyard. Lap dog, you look like one little dog. I can give you a little spot over there, sir. One little spot in the corner over there, sir. Me not talk to you no long time, big woman, when I have nothing for sure. When you think buying clothes and designers, every blood clot thing. Talk to me about stuff.
Momo.
Talk to me about deeds. Talk to me about titles. And then we can have a conversation.
Momo.
What I'm doing now.
Momo, stop disrespect people with them designer clothes because that girl and have none. Stop it.
I don't give a fuck. I not talk to them girl there. I not talk to no girl. My left blood clot. New York in 2008 and never look back. Never live in a little rat trap yet. Right now, for going to your house, bunny body, make sure so we can find rat and roach. Come talk nice to me.
Where's the Momo? Where's the Mellow? Mellow, what you say?
I say I have every designer I don't spend $1.
Me never put it up this month.
But no get them program
No,
it.
not you, Hope. Me I talk about the people them, not you, Hope. But me know you're thing them read, but me I say.
We don't wear
Them
fake
a
things, you
run it
don't
down
know
for
that.
25
We
blood
take my
clot
time,
dollar.
man, I order my things them day and pay for them nicely. That me I do. We pay for my things and they me a contractor. We can't run them. But Momo, since you want to give out money, me not want the $25. Me I take the $200, please and thank.
This year ask for $200 cause I can't believe girl borrow $25 from one grown
No,
woman borrow
no, me
$25.
not
You
borrow.
know,
Me
son, if me
not
did not ask
borrow.
up for money, me did I got ask her for 100 blood clot dollar. Me never did ask for the $25 for that. Me did only need.
Momo, you know, from me in the hospital, you ever see me beg anybody nothing or borrow nothing? No. Me have two,
That's
three
why me
bank
no want no
accounts.
borrow. Me no want none of them borrow girl you talk to me.
Me
Cause when
not
when
borrow
a woman
nothing.
have
Me
to
not
run you
borrow
down for
girl clothes.
$25,
Me
that's
not
sad. You
borrow
know, a
girl
blood clot,
gear.
man.
Me not
My,
borrow girl
me there with
jewelry,
young
none
blood
of that.
clot boy who are 27 and right now, but call him cannot just send me 25 blood clot dollar.
Mello, me ever borrow, me ever call you and beg you something? Oh, you sure? You,
Wait, me did
No,
supposed to
you
do something.
sure me not
like my
beg you
mama when I
nothing?
was little, she never give
Lisa,
my
you
age
sure me
something to the
not beg you
ages. I
nothing?
don't know how to behave.
Me think me beg you something, you know. Mama, me ever beg you something? Oh,
Me love beg
I
though. I'm
thought
not
me beg
hard
mama
child.
something last week. Me forget, me didn't. Me not have to. Anytime you have a business and you are working, you have your money, you don't have to beg. Don't feel beg. Go beg a job. Go beg your mama. That me a bomba clock. You beg for cocky, you beg for your vagina. Go beg something else, man. Go soak out that.
Jesus Christ.
Me pay for my vagina reconstruct on the outside.
Yeah, that
All of
them
my
need for
surgery
do.
because of
You
my
tell
health issue.
them
Them
a-
for go
them a
sit
do
down.
them a them a do blood clot body and I fuck the same blood clot nigga. You can't body and I beg
No, sir.
$25. Yeah, idiot.
No, sir.
Me do my body in a 20 bomber clot 11. I even before or after fat, small, skinny, round, up, down. Me not fuck certain type of man. On a idiot. I want to no fuck out big woman yo.
Me not do my body.
Oh no
Me do my body
fuck
because
for
of
what?
health issue. Me not do my body for look good and
Somebody has still blood
consistency.
clot,
My
bro.
body nice
Somebody
and
has
neat
still
from
have
get
man a
go. My
coming
breast,
and a hole
yo,
and
me
a axe
50
next
years
woman for
old and
money.
my
Go
breast
fuck
nice
off.
and stiff. You see that? Nice and stiff and stand up. I'm 50. Me look blood clot good for 50. And some girl have to throw them breasts behind them shoulder and rock them back. Some girl them they can't even cook no food. Them can't look good, you know.
When
And
she
me
go
look
on the
good. My
live
planet
video
made in
and show
hands
her breast
Jamaican.
them.
You see that
When me look
50,
as a big
50
woman,
blood
you tear up that
clot.
show your two breast them and you still blood clot, bro. You're not even
Me
not
not
get no
play nice.
investment back from the thing them where you do. That makes sense? Me I look for
She
uno.
say, play nice. What play nice? Me not understand that. Define play nice. Me not know that. Me never played that game before. Me too nice for 50 years old. I wanna love for rub out my family. Wanna love for rub out Momo. Wanna love for rub out my niece there. Wanna love for rub out June. I to mess with June and my daughter, my goddaughter. Wanna need for Lowy. You understand? Low them. Cause when you mess with them, you come for me. Any one of them, all of them, you come for me too. And you can't come for me because my face too nice and good. You see that my body too nice and clean. Lord Jesus.
My God,
Oi,
but suck your mama.
oi.
Suck your mother come and assault. It not hurt me, but it hurt you though, cause you still blood clot, bro.
Dada. Me too nice and pretty. Wanna ever see a 50-year-old look like me? Check my profile and let me know. Comment. My profile looks sweet. My face nice. My body good. At 50.
I'm not arguing with none of you
Oh,
bitches.
you look old
See the
for
people,
50
you don't
mamas.
need no
You go
frontier.
suck your mother. You need to look at my
No
bumbucker
frontier to do
profile.
this.
Go suck your blood
Samara!
clot mother. That may I say. Go suck your mother. Go suck out of the whole of
Samara!
my crotches. Go look at my fucking.
You
Yo,
need to
time is
talk about.
8:76. They'll come for your pussy. They'll come for you, you know. Go suck out your mother. Go get a job. Bitch, I got a whole fucking business. I'm a contractor, bitch. The fuck you
Samara,
doing?
can you
Come talk to my
stop?
bank account. You idiot, girl. That may I tell you.
Samara, can you stop arguing
Time
with the fake page?
8:76. Yo, go suck your mother, bitch. I'm fucking 50. Look at my profile. My body nice. Everything good. I got a business.
Jesus
You understand
Christ.
me?
I
I'm
gotta come
Ocean
off
of
of the
Merlin.
live.
Bitch, go suck your mother.
Samara,
That's me I
can you
tell you.
stop?
Go
You in the
suck out my bum
hospital.
because you're a dirty girl.
Oh my
That me
God.
I tell you. Dirty blood clot girl. Go fix your body, your face, everything. Go do it. That me a bumble clot tell you. You don't know me. You don't want to know me. Me's a rebel. Then I take them dead joke. Come for me. Come for me. Come. Coming out of the Bronx. Coming out of the Bronx, my blood clots say. You can come anywhere out of the Bronx and me come meet you. Straight.
Hope
Just
I
like
come to
that.
Florida next week. You're gonna pick me up from the
Stop
airport?
fire over here, bitch. That me I tell you. I look old, suck your mother. You need to go check my profile. You look old. I hate bitches that pre other bitches. I hate bitches that don't know how to give bitches they props. I hate bitches like you that pre me. Bitch, go fix a dinner. Go find a dinner. Use your food stamp. Go use the food stamp. Go use the EBT card. That me I tell you. Go sell your liquor. Go suck man hood and get money. That's how you do. Go suck man hood and get your little money. You understand? Bitch, come off of this blood clot. You got me fucked up.
Jesus Christ.
I don't know why
You
she
got
gonna
me
argue with
fucked up.
nobody right
I'm
now.
not the bitch you want to fuck with. I'm about that life. You better Google my fucking name and the
Auntie,
articles
hold
in
on, Auntie, calm
Washington,
down. You're in
D.C.
the
I'm
hospital.
about that
Auntie, you're
life,
in the
bitch.
hospital. Auntie, calm down. You're in the
Hold on,
hospital.
hold
Auntie,
on.
Do
you
you like my
like
hair,
my
Auntie?
hair.
Auntie, you like my hair? You like
Like
my
Hair
it.
look
hair?
nice.
I
Me
didn't have
not
to put in the front tail.
entertain. I don't give bitches my
We didn't put
energy.
in no front
Bitches that's
tail.
salty,
Natural
I just
hair.
throw holy water and garlic on your bumper clock.
Hi,
Don't be
honey.
no for frightened. You know the devil not like
Samara, why
garlic.
are you
They'll throw
arguing
that
with the
on your
people
blood.
in the
They'll throw
comments?
that all on your face and fry your face with it. That
Jesus.
may I tell you. No weapon formed against me shall prosper. That may I tell you.
Oh, may I come to Florida? You pick me up Friday.
Whoa! Look at that!
What? Move on, come on.
But she name blood
Move.
clot money body.
Look for move on. Oops, come out.
Come on, suck your mother, bitch. You wish
Remember,
you
I
could
go to
suck
the
my mother.
doctor inside
My
too.
mother will
You know,
roast you.
too hot
Got
out the
that?
door.
My moms will roast you. Any one of them. Any one of them. Any one of
I don't
them.
know how to do this shit.